Hello everyone, welcome to student.chem. Our present session covers weight fraction, weight percentage, volume fraction, volume percentage, weight by volume percentage. Now coming to the weight fraction, everybody knows that the meaning of the fraction. Fraction is nothing but it is a part in a whole. Now the present topic is related to the solution. So in a solution, in general the solution is constituted by combining both solute and solvent. And we can determine the part, either solute or solvent, we can determine. So coming to the weight fraction, it includes the ratio between the weight of the solute to the weight of the solution. That means in a total amount of the solution, how much amount of solute is present in the solution is called weight fraction. That symbolically that can be represented as weight fraction is equal to weight of the solute whole divided by weight of the total solution. Next, it is indicated with the percentage of small w by capital W, where small w indicates the weight of the solute, capital W indicates the weight of the solvent. Next, coming to the weight percentage, it was obtained by multiplying the fraction with 100. Here, weight per cent is nothing but 100. That means in 100 grams, how much amount of solute is present? Let's say an example, 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. That means 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 grams of water. And please keep it in mind that both weight fraction and weight percentage, in which the both numerator and denominator should be expressed in grams. Next, coming to the volume fraction. Similar to the weight fraction, it can be represented as small v by small v plus capital V, where small v represents the volume of the solute and capital V represents the volume of the solvent. In volume fraction, both numerator and denominator should be expressed in mLs. Next one is volume percentage. Similar to the weight percentage, the volume percentage is also obtained by multiplying 100 with volume fraction. And the same reason is applicable here also, that is volume percent. That means per 100 ml of solvent, how much amount of solute is there. In the present example, I took 10% of HCl, in which 10 ml HCl is dissolved in 100 ml of solvent. And next, the last one is weight by volume percentage. Coming to the weight by volume percentage, in the previous topics, if you take weight percentage or weight fraction, both numerator and denominator should be expressed in terms of grams. If you take volume fraction or volume percentage, the numerator and denominator should be expressed in terms of volume only. But in case of weight by volume percentage, the numerator should be expressed in grams, while the volume term, that is the denominator, should be expressed in mLs. This can be explained with the help of an example. 10% of W by V of sodium hydroxide, where 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 ml of water. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe student.chem.